Your funniest memory about your childhood?
Oh, playing on the set. Lumaki ako sa mundo na to eh. Na ang laruan ko, cameras. That time, ang laki pa ng cameras. So talagang imagination ko noon, Tito Boy, nasa spaceship ako. Tapos yung camera na yun, yung baril. Tapos yung crane, kunyari, seroplano ko. Talagang ganon yung imagination ko. Minsan magdadala sila mami ng mga laruan sa set. Tapos nandiyan yung box. So talagang it was a big playground for me. Since I started young din, ang maganda rin is I enjoyed the work. I felt like I was just playing along with my co-actors. So, never ko siya naramdaman na, oh my God, nababurnout ako kasi tatrabaho. Hindi siya ganun eh, parang, yee! May work ako. Ganun siya.
But mommy was always there.
Oh yeah, in fairness to her. So, one time, mag-shoot kami, hindi ko nakikita nanay ko, so umiyak ako. Taping to ng Eat Bulaga ng Little Miss. Di syempre, munti ka na akong